Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about Ark Survival Evolved. Now this is a game where you are in, it's not really prehistorical, neither is it modern. It's a very different mix. You are stranded in an island with other survivors that's trying to kill each other. Now in this game you can either make yourself a team or you can go at it all alone. Now I have Ark Survival on both Steam as well as Epic Games, if only I can find where it is. Recently played. Okay, maybe not installed. Maybe yeah. As my apologies. As you can see, I've got Ark Survival on both Steam and Epic. You can buy them on both Steam and Epic, so that's why I showed you guys. Now on Steam, I believe it is 699 rupees. That's gonna be roughly $100. And if you don't, not $100, what am I saying, $10. And if you don't want to wait, if you are willing to wait, I would say wait for Ark 2 to come out, because this is the second version of Ark Survival Evolved, and I'm really looking forward to buy this game as well. I'm not sure about if it's coming to Epic on launch date or not. I'm gonna check it right away, but yeah. Ark Survival Evolved is a game where you play as a human who's trying their best to survive with dinosaurs and all of that. It's a fun game if you have friends. Definitely if you have friends, I would say do play the game. It is very fun and very... honestly, it's just very fun. So, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!